Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get the CapCut Pro. So if you guys didn't know, CapCut is now provide a pro version where you can have so many advantages, so many features that you can use you cannot use if you are on the free CapCut. And to get that CapCut Pro, you can just go to your profile, click on the me on below, and here beside your username in CapCut you will see an option to join the CapCut Pro. So just click on that button and you'll be directed to the advantages, like you can unlock pro features, and you can also unlock a variety of effects, and you can get 100 GB cloud space storage if you join the CapCut Pro. And there are three options in my country to use the CapCut Pro. You can just choose which one. So there's a monthly subscription, or there's only an annual, like for a year or a month, and you can just choose which one, and after that click on purchase. Then after that, CapCut will be direct you to the Google Play. Here you just need to choose the payment method in the Google Play Store. You can use e-wallet, you can use your phone balance, you can also use the Google Play balance or credit card or debit card or other payment method. And after that, you can just proceed with the payment and click on the buy options. Okay, so that is how you can get the CapCut Pro. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.